Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh Naik, roll number 20EC10015. Today I am going to disassemble this mosquito repellent vaporizer for the DIY assignment 3. So first let's check out. So as we can see, this is in the working condition. The normal mode, which shows the green light, is for the less damage, is doing the less damage to the mosquitoes, so less mosquito die. And the active mode, which is the amber color, kills more mosquitoes as more liquid gets vaporized. So let us now open this. So this and this cover are made of HDPE, that is high density polyethylene. This structure is made up of ABS, that is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. First let us remove the liquid refill. Okay, so coming to the circuit, this circuit has a resistor of 1 lakh ohms. There are two diodes. One diode is for the amber light and another diode is for the green light. These two diodes are used so that the reverse current is prevented, which may damage the circuit. As 1 lakh ohms resistor is used, so the current passing through the main circuit is very less, which cannot damage the circuit. There is this green wire which carries the live current. This yellow wire carries the neutral current. These two white wires carry the current of the small value which passes through the circuit. There is this switch cap which was previously on the switch. Now this is the main coil which gets power from this wire. As you can see, this uninsulated wire, as the current passes through this coil, so it gets heated and it is connected to the graphite rod of the refill. This is the most important part, as the refill, this graphite rod has already absorbed the liquid in its own. So as its temperature rises, then the liquid which is absorbed by it gets vaporized, and this liquid is composed of transfluthrin insecticide, which damages the nervous system of the mosquitoes and paralyzes them. It has antioxidants and stabilizers which prevent it from getting oxidized for a long period of time, and so that it remains in the working condition. It has perfume so that we don't get irritated by its smell, and all of these are mixed in the solvent which is the deodorizing oil. The circuit board is made up of mainly the semiconductors, that is silicon, and the connecting wires in it is made of copper. The main reason of the failure of the system is the burning of these wires or the register, which can lead to the damaging of the circuit. So let us now reassemble the circuit once again. So as we can see, it is still in the working condition. The green light is glowing and also the amber light is also glowing. So that was it. Thank you.